In this session, we are going to discuss about the structure and architectural quantification. Okay, I will start with the new project. I will put the job code as 23234. Then the description, superstructure QTY. Then I will click next. Then I will go to this Planswift training and go to this structural and architectural and click on these two drawings and click next. Then I will click finish and I will start a new project. In this video, I will explain you how to create pad footing concrete volume, pad footing formwork, column concrete volume, column formwork, beam concrete volume, beam formwork, wall area, wall finishes, floor finishes and roof. I will go to this structural drawing and I will scale the drawing first. You can see 8225 here. I will go to scale and click on 8.255 and I will click OK. Then I will measure this distance. I will do the same to this vertical distance. I will click scale. This is 12.192 and I will click OK. Then I will measure this. Okay, now this is scaled pretty well. Now we have to measure this pad footing concrete volume. This is very simple. You have to go to this area and click on volume in cubic meter and depth should be 300. Then you have to change the name. This is pad footing concrete volume. I will click OK. Then I will start the measurement. I will click here, here, here and here and double click here. Then I will use a special method. I will right click and stop. Then I will click on this particular measurement and I will copy this. Okay, then I will paste this 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then I will click here and right click and move this thing here, and I will click here, right click, move this thing here. So click here, right click, move, and I will move this here. I'll click here, right click, move. I will move this footing here. We'll do the same to this footing as well, and this one. Then I will draw these four very easily by using the same function. Go here and click here. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, double click. Okay. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, double click. 1 2 3, double click. 1 2 3, double click. 1 2 3, double click. Okay, now we have measured this pad footing concrete volume. This is 4.5. I'll put 4.5 here. Just type. Okay. And then pad footing formwork. This is very simple. Now this time I will turn this off and this one as well. Then I will use this linear measurement, metric wall area. Then this is pad footing FW. Then height should be 1.3. Sorry, 0.3. Then click OK. Then I will start the measurement. 1 2 3 4 double click. Okay, then right click, stop. I will copy this and I will paste this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then I will click here, right click, move, bring this here. 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 Click here, right click, move here. Okay, click here, right click, move, place here. Okay, then I will go here and click on this green button. Then I will draw some footing like this. 2, 3, 4, double click. Likewise, you can measure the formwork. Okay, now quantity is 15.7. 15.7. Then column concrete volume. For column concrete volume, we have to create a template. Okay, for formwork also we have to create template. I will go to templates and I will create a uh, new tab. This is super structure tab. Okay, I'll click OK. Then for column concrete volume, I will go with this new count. Okay, have I finished this? Okay, new count. Okay, so this new count is column concrete. Then I will go to advanced and this is count. I have to add height, length and width. I will put h here and click OK. It should be under estimating height, width, then this should be length. Okay, then I will add some units to them and I will add them to the template. Okay, then very simple, height, width and length. I have to multiply those things with our quantity. Take off, multiply, width multiplied by length. This should be volume, cubic meters. So then we have to go to form and give some units to them and click OK. Now we can freely measure. Okay, I will click OK. Then I will go to my home tab and go here and click on superstructure tab, then column concrete here. I will double click on it. Then this is first I will measure C3 C3 height is 2.7 meters, then width should be 0.225, length should be 0.225. Now click OK. Then I will quickly measure these C3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I will go to concrete column again. Then this is C2. Height should be 2.7, which should be 0.225. Length should be 0.3. Then I will measure it as well. 1, 2, okay, 2. Then I will double click here. This should be C1. Height should be 2.7, which should be 0.225. Length should be 0.450. Now click OK. Now click here and here. Okay. Now you have got your column volume 1.1, 0.4, 0.6. Altogether you have 2.1. Okay, this is 2.1. Then column formwork, again we have to create template. Go to template, and this time you have to click on new count again. First I think I have to finish this one. Right click, stop. Okay, new count. Method is similar. This column formwork, then click OK. Go to advanced. Again you have to put height, length and width. Height, length and width. Then you have to put your units. Okay, I put all these three here, delete them and add them underestimating. You have to add them underestimating. Okay, L, width, then the height. Okay, then you have to add another thing, sectional length. Then I will click OK. This is sectional length, and I will bring this to the top. Then the formula 2 into length plus width. You have to close the bracket. Okay. Then quantity you have to take off into sectional length into height. Okay, this should be the square meters. Then this is meters. This is meters. This is also meters. Meters. Okay. Then you have to add these to the template, and you can give unit length, height, width, section length. Okay. Then click OK. Now you can start the measuring. Okay. You have to click OK. This is column formwork. You have to go to home. You can make these things invisible. Then you can start column formwork. This is C3. L should be 0.225. Then should be 0.225. Then height should be 2.7. Then I will click OK. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is C3 formwork. I will double click on it and I will rename this as C3 FW. Okay, then I will get another C3, uh, C2 FW this time. Then length should be 0.225, which should be 0.30, height should be 2.7. Then click OK. Then you have to measure these two, C2, C2. Then C1, we have a couple of C1s. Length should be 0.225, which should be 0.450, height should be 2.7, and this is homework C1, and I will click OK, and here, and you have to click here. Okay, now I have calculated this homework area as well. Then the summation of this 6, 13, 14. Okay, 7.3 plus 5.7 means this is 13, no? 13 equal 13 plus 19, 19.9, 32.9. So column homework 32.9, 32.9, and we have already this column concrete rolling. Then beam concrete rolling and beam formwork.